What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we're kicking off another video, guys. Another video. This is your first time here. Hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. For all my returning subscribers, y'all know how we do. Bring it in, boo. Y'all come on in and get in my business. Let me share my business with y'all real quick. First things first, you know why we're here. We're here for a haul, a spring summer shoe haul, courtesy of SHEIN and Fashion Nova. So with that being said, the shoes that I'm about to show you are for all sizes, but it's definitely showing the girls with a little more foot that they could still be stylish, because for some strange reason, when the shoes start getting like 10 and above, they start adding like extra material on it, like plastic or little rubber and stuff like that. I don't know what that's all about. And the shoes tend to look better when they're smaller, but I picked out some ones that I hope that you love like I do. First things first, y'all, I don't know what it is, but I have really been in my denim zone. All shades, light denim, dark denim, either one, I'm all into it. So we got these little mules. Oh my god, y'all, they're so comfortable. You see the square toe? I absolutely love these. These are so cute, babies. These, I will say this, for their mules, do size up your regular size, and that's only because it's just safer that way. For me, I don't know if it's because I'm older. I like the room, so it's not too big. It's just enough room where my foot is satisfied. Baby, you can run in these. I love these. I see this with a big white collared shirt. I see it. Y'all see it? All right, so let's get into the next ones.
Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two pictures just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real.
We're gonna stay in the denim family for a little bit. And y'all, if y'all hear that noise in the back, it's my fan. We already know how this works. If you've been rocking with me for a while, you know your girl have flashes, so we're gonna have to hold that fan on. I hope it ain't bothering you too much. With that being said, we got some little meows, baby. Some little meows, some little kittens. Okay, I know when you first look at them, you're like, did you drop something on them? Because they too... But I didn't. Let me show you. I love this. This is like a cute little throw-on shoe. If you scared to wear heels, like, you know, the pandemic, nobody really wore heels. You know, it's about 3 years, and so a lot of people are kind of scared to get back and try the whole heel thing again. So baby, go ahead and start. Here's your training wheels. Go ahead and get you some training wheels and get back out there. Stretch your stuff, boo. I know y'all probably saying, what is she doing with it? Denim leftovers for some cutoff shorts. But no, I love these, y'all. Look. I do not know, I can't remember how much the price this is, but I did take the time to link everything below. So please feel free to go down there, click, and see where you find something you love. Click the link below and it'll take you right to the shoe. Two pair of shoes came from SHEIN. The next pair of shoes that I'm about to show you came from SHEIN as well. I want to kind of stay with the SHEIN family, and then we'll switch over to the Fashion Nova. So our next shoe. Next shoe, guys, are these gorgeous gold babies. And if you been watching me for a while, you're probably saying, you got enough gold shoes. I don't have these gold. I don't have none made like these. I have walked in them. This strap is friendly as long as you go a size up. I will always tell you, I'm a 10. Shorty, you a 10. A 10. Okay, I'm a 10, but I get that my Shein shoes a size up. I go at 11 because I like the room. So because of that, they give me a little room on this. And you tie this around the leg, baby, this is gorgeous. We subs to wear these this weekend, child. I love these. Look, and her sister here too. So y'all, make sure y'all put down in the comments what's your favorite shoe. If you like them, you don't like, you know, tell me, give me your opinion on these shoes, these Shein finds. I go buy it so you don't have to, so you can see what it look like in my honest review. Love these.
Passenger, this a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge, the coat seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek, drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn, she took a look.
Alright guys, we have one more shoe from the Shein, our Shein collection, and baby, these ain't to be played with. I'm coming through with these, meaning running. These hunter green and yellow babies, y'all. Now these are men's shoes, so you can size down even smaller because you can, because they men's shoes and they shoes run bigger than ours. That's gonna make your feet feel real small, like, boo, these are 8. I don't do 8s and ladies, so I'm feeling good about myself. But I love this shoe. It's like when I first seen it, and it's crazy, you know I love it because I actually bought it twice. I didn't pay attention that it said men, so I bought the size 10. Yeah, had to send those back, and we got the right size. They are so comfortable and so cute, guys. I love them. I can't wait to style these for you guys. So y'all ready? Now that we done been in Shein, let's go on over here to Fashion Nova.
So I decided to go, swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if you can.
Fun fact about Fashion Nova. I've never bought anything. This is literally my first time. I am breaking my virginity with Fashion Nova, y'all. So here we go. All right, guys. We got these little mules here, baby. Y'all, these made me think about when I was little. And they used to have these little flat ones like this with the little buckle across. I absolutely love these. They're so comfortable. Oh my god, y'all, they are so comfortable. These are a good slide on, casual. You can dress up, dress down. Absolutely love these. Definitely a must buy. And I actually bought these during the 50% off. So I don't know how much they are now, but I do have it linked below under the Fashion Nova tab. All right, let's get into the next ones.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now. Put me in the mood.
Alright guys, I haven't worn heels in a while, but these babies got me feeling like I got my life back when it comes to heels because they platform. They so sexy, so sophisticated. It is these linen brown. I don't know if it's like real linen or like for play linen, but it's linen. It's giving linen either way. But y'all, these are so comfortable. I definitely would say size up with these as well because of that narrow foot. But guys, look at this shoe. Girl, that is art. Check that out. Oh my god, I freaking love it. I love it.
One of them ones.
These in denim too. I know they say, why? I know y'all probably saying, Kay, why do you have all them denim shoes? Because they're not the same. They're not the same. So if you think they're the same, then we can't be friends. Because these are not the same. They all serve different purposes. I absolutely love these, y'all. So with
quick. So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth.
That being said, I know this wasn't all long and drawn out like we used to. I want to be short and to the point. So if you guys like something, please click the link below. Tell me which one was your favorites, which ones you like, which ones you didn't like. I want to hear either way. Let's kiki in the comments, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.